How you doing? This is Mario with Clean Cut Landscape. Today we're in Metairie doing a Zoysia sod renovation. I want you to take a look at what's going on here. Right now we're in the process of moving the grass around to get proper placement so we can lay this stuff out. We have removed the existing weed lawn after we sprayed herbicide to kill it. We then scraped it off with a sod cutter, and we added peat moss and sulfur to correct the pH, and now we're in the process of getting ready to install it. If you want a beautiful front lawn, give Mario a call with Clean Cut Landscape at 887-0234 or visit us at cclanddesign.com.